Hey guys, welcome to Stability Before Strength. My name is Oscar and I'll be your guide through this 13-week training plan. This is week 3, day 6, and this workout burns between 752 to 881 calories. We are going to start with the warm-up routine. Here's the list of all the warm-up drills. You can click on the link to start the warm-up and then come back for part 2. Today we will continue to run for 30 to 60 minutes or 4 to 8 miles at a comfortable pace. As I mentioned previously, these runs, even though they may seem daunting at times, are important to any training program because they help lay a strong foundation that will help us create many adaptations that will help us during the second and third phase of this training program. As soon as you're done with today's running workout, go into a cool down routine since there's no part 3 for today. In phase 1, there's no exercise workout for day 3, day 6, and day 7. Use this time to rest and recover, or perform more stretches to help keep your body healthy and injury-free. Concentrate on areas that you feel need improvement. You can use the running stretches found in the cooldown routine and increase the amount of time spent on each stretch to 30 to 60 seconds, or perform each stretch 3 to 4 times. Here's the list of all the stretches that are included in this routine. You can click on the link to guide you through all the stretches. That's it for today. Remember that this is phase 1 and that each phase lasts 3 weeks for a total of 13 weeks before the half marathon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. See you guys later.